So you might be in a position where for some reason your WhatsApp account is banned due to spam or something along those lines. So if you're not allowed to use WhatsApp anymore, you truly have to understand why you are banned on WhatsApp. Were you going against their terms of service? Were you spamming? Were you doing scams? Were you botting? If it's anything along those lines, you are pretty much 100% not going to be able to get your account back. I've never seen it done before, and I wouldn't even try it because if you're going against their terms of service, it's only going to be a matter of time before you actually go and get your account banned as well. So there's really no point. However, if you are in a situation where your account is banned and you truly don't think you were spamming, you truly think you were just it's like a complete mishap of why it was banned, well, luckily for you, WhatsApp has a way to go around this. So what you can do is on their own website, you don't have to go on their website, I'm just reading it to you right now. They basically state that we ban accounts if we believe the account activity violates our terms of services. So for example, if you're involved in spam, scams, whatever, okay? Now it says also, if you think your account was banned by mistake, you can say, please email us or tap request a review. If you look at the bottom of this type of thing that comes up, at the bottom, there's a request a review button. So what you want to do is you want to click request a review, and that is going to be able to go ahead and essentially request a review from them. And that is what I would recommend doing. Clicking request a review, it's going to maybe ask for a little bit more information, but that is going to basically be the make it or break it for you, whether you get your account back. Now, also, if you want to get into this specific page I was just in, you can type in WhatsApp account banned due to spam, find the FAQWhatsApp.com website, so click here. And then there's going to be a little email us button right here. So click on email us, and it's going to say contact WhatsApp, and you'll be able to contact WhatsApp via a lot of different things, but contact them via messenger support right here. So click contact us right there. And then you'll be able to provide your information. You can put your phone number, your email address, whatever. Make sure it's the same information of that WhatsApp account. You have to use the same information. I'm sure if you're not, then that's probably not going to end up working. Or like I said, you can just click request a review right there, and that might end up fixing it too. So those are a few different ways to go around it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.